brand spanking new 2025 Range Rover. You see the new design, the new tail lights, brand spanking new. We'll show you guys the interior. It's sick. All right. Anyways, long story short, this guy brought in the Range Rover because his son took it to another shop and they straight piped it. You do not straight pipe these Range Rovers. They sound like complete garbage. They'll sound like Honda Civics on you guys. Do not straight pipe these cars. All right. What we did is we fixed it for him. We popped some Vibrant Ultra Quiets, which is the axle back system we recommend. That's the one we posted about earlier. It's basically a deeper tone to what you get out of the stock setup. The stock setup is completely quiet, sounds like a microwave. You have a sports SUV, you want to make a little bit of sound, do not straight pipe it, guys. It sounds like garbage. So we fixed it for them. We slapped these Vibrant Ultra Quiets on there. You guys can see it. Kept the stock dumps on there because they're hidden exhaust. The customer wanted them to look original as possible. And then, like I said, we just slapped the Ultra Quiets on there. They fit in there like a glove. And now the car's gonna be a lot deeper, a lot more refined tone instead of just a bunch of noise, raspy and annoying like the customer was complaining about. So we slapped these on there. And like I said, this is completely stock up front. This is actually a hybrid Range Rover. So you have the big ass battery pack right here. This thing is massive right here. And then the stock system continues up there into the catalytic converters. So this car is very delicate, man. You cannot just throw straight pipes on these things. So that's why we recommend the Ultra Quiets. I think it's the best system for the Range Rovers. It's nothing too aggressive, and it's a nice, clean, sporty sound, which most customers want. So we're going to drop it, crank it for you guys. Let us know how you think it sounds, and we can show you the interior on this thing. This thing's badass. Got the brand new Range Rover in here. This thing is pimp. I'm starting to really like these things. A lot more refined design, which I love. Very simplistic. It looks like a Tesla in here. You got basically all the technology you need right there. You got shortcuts, navigation, phone systems. Got the soft suede like leather. It's not suede, but it's soft, super soft. And yeah, brand new Range Rover 2025, guys. Got the super moonroof on this thing. Got the rear seats, black on black on black. Got the nice wood grain right here. If you guys feel this, it'll be feeling like wood. It's pretty sick, guys. So yeah, brand new interior, brand new Range Rover. Might have to snatch one of these guys. It's pimp. I don't know what's up with this thing. Very odd place for a start-stop button, but you know, whatever. The English, you know. I guess that's why they kept losing the wars. Yeah, English luxury SUV. I think it's pretty sweet. Here's my dad. He likes Range Rovers. Abba! You see this thing? It's nice. I like this thing. This is a Range Rover.
Oh, really?
Yeah. This is nice. Very nice. What's up, Mo? Yeah, I just bought a Range Rover, Moshe. Not bad, huh?
Well, you don't like
I don't buy this shit.
You say you don't like it.
I like this one.
Smarter than your father.
Thanks, Mo. Appreciate it. You hear that, Abba? From your brother.
What?
I'm smarter than my father. I know, Moshe. You don't gotta tell me.
Most don't like Range Rover either.
This one's nice, though.
They're nice when they're new.
Yeah, right?
And they go to 40 miles.
No, half electric. No. Ready? Yeah. So this is a brand new Range Rover. Got a hurricane coming. You guys can hear it. Got 30-mile-an-hour winds. You see the trees getting blowed. So yeah, Range Rover HSC 2025 with the hybrid technology. Does have a sport mode, does have an EV mode. So you get best of both worlds, hybrids. First one in South Florida. So you can see he trimmed out, went orange to match the calipers. You got the pimp ass orange calipers on there. You got these huge Brembos on there. Look at that thing. Sick, massive, with the Pirellis. Pirellis on the tires. Got wrapped in Pirellis. I think these are aftermarket wheels. They look aftermarket, but they look good. and Range Rover 2025. If you got a Range Rover, you let us know. We're hooking them up all day. We got a bunch of different options for the Range Rovers, mostly custom options. If you're looking for a catback or a bolt-on system, you let us know. We can source those as well for you guys. So let us know what you think. Luxury SUV from England, in America. First one with the HSE hybrid technology, guys. So like I said, vibrant axle back sounds great. Customer's gonna be ecstatic. And like I said, let us know what you think. Two shops, Oakland Park, Davie, Gexhaust.com. Hurricane coming, guys. We out.